Good morning, everyone. What's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going? How's it going? What's up, Terrence, George, D, A7, Macia, Gaddafi, Dope, Trading, Breon, Vernice, Lewis, Mr. Darien, Claiborne. What's up? What's up? What's up, Mark? Oddwave, Lisa, Nelmac. Hi, what's up? If I missed your name, hello. Liquidity, what's up? What's up, Shane? Crystal Lee. All right, y'all, that news is getting ready to drop in a couple minutes here. For GJ, if you're unfamiliar with it, I gotcha. Let's talk about it. We got 3 minutes to talk about it. So it's monetary policy. Typically, a lot of volume does come in. It does typically always drop around 7 a.m. New York time. All right, you see I got the time down below me. So we'll see what happens. I mean, usually it likes to grab some volatility before making its big move. So for me, it's almost pretty straightforward. I mean, I like to mark this up quickly, but other than that, it's not too much that I see here. So I'll mark this up on the 30-minute. All right, so my thoughts are pretty straightforward. It's gonna drop in about 40 seconds here. I'm thinking that price may shoot up this way and then come back down. All right, so I'm thinking we may make a wig up, precisely come back down. I should make that black. And that's around 181.97, 106. All right, y'all, 10 seconds. Here we go. If price does shoot up here, decides to come back down, I may take a look at it. Hey. Here we go. Just shot up 80 pips, y'all. 80 pips. Jeez. I have a bank zone in here too. See if price comes out of this area. So it'd be like 42 points. Just watching it, y'all. I didn't hop into anything. I did not hop into anything. Kind of letting it be. I am on my other screen, but just watching. Hi, Carla. Good morning. What's up, Marco? Good morning to you. What's up, Brian? Millicent, Malva. Let me know in the chat, did anybody take anything, or are you just watching? Here's my take on it. Just kind of evaluating its behavior. Shot up around 84 pips, which would make it an 84 pip wick. The times I've taken this trade, it's usually a little less than that. So because it's more than what it usually is, I'm just kind of like leaving it alone. Make sense? Just watching. About to get in GU. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna have a nice smooth day, y'all. You know, we're gonna take our time. See what we can catch today. See chat. My bad, chat. I'm going through the Discord. Wow, looks like we created a resistance on the 1 minute right here. That's interesting. Now this 5-minute candle could possibly flip down here for 27. For me, that would be a go. Or for 28, I should say. That's what I'm looking at. Alright, I'm gonna put in a stop right below it. What's up, y'all? What's going on?
Hey, yo, what's up, man? How we doing?
Morning, lunch.
What y'all up to?
Looking at gold? Looking at her do all the bullshit?
Looking at a possible 5-minute flip here on a GJ.
On GJ? Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. Oh, Lynn's GU trade triggered, would have triggered, like, the setup was there, we just fucking, we didn't take the entry because it was just before news.
Yeah.
Like, right there at that zone on the bottom. And it just went up and then straight up. Oh, Aaron, it's happening. It's happening. We have to give it 7 more minutes, though. It's it's finally broken above my 21. It's finally broken above my 21.
Oh, yeah, I see it going a bit bullish.
So we gotta. I want to see this candle close like not just like green, but like at least a little bit of a body volume on this. Then I think we can expect a second pull, and then straight up.
So chat, we're below that daily level. Just kind of waiting. Looks like we're almost there. Oh, there we go. All right.
Wait, Lynn,
There's our notification. All right, chat. Stop loss is about 30. We're up about 7 to 8 pips. 10.
Hello, can y'all hear me? Okay.
13. We're just gonna move stops to break even. 20 pips.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, here we go. 27, 28. Bleed, GJ, bleed. Come on. Bleed it. Let's go.
You just bleeding?
36.
Took my
Oh.
partials.
Up 36.
Oh.
78 up.
Yeah, I gotta get my magic keys out real quick, y'all. I just gotta put in my code. 1 second, y'all. I gotta put in my code. Oh, I hate when it does that, bro. 55. Ooh, 143. Let's go. 72 pips. Come on, baby. Spam up the fire, y'all. 67. Come on.
Nice.
100 up.
Gonna take some partials.
Lens, GJ, 30 minutes, just hit a zone.
Nice. Yes, sir, y'all. Yes, sir.
Let's go. Gold
Took some
paying up.
partials. Hey, it's a good day, baby. It's a good day. It's a good day. Y'all should be chilling.
Gold's paying up. Gold's paying up.
It did? Bro, I didn't even get to look at gold yet today.
Oh, it's paying up. Wow, look at African retracement on GJ on the 30-minute on the zone.
Let's go, fam. I meant to close a little more than that. Hold on. I'm only gonna leave a little open.
Come on, I need to see this thing. 3 minutes. I need to see the thing almost there. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take the rest of that. Let's make at least 1%. Let me check my thing. Oh, yeah, we made at least 1%. All right, cool. We're over 1%. All right, chat, we're over 1%. We're just chilling. Let it go. Goal smashed in 2 minutes of the day. Quick W, you know it. Hi, Seven.
Wait.
What's up, Seven?
Wait, and you're done for today, Lens?
Nah, I'm not done.
Hey, you smashed your goal. Hey, go home. Relax.
Nah, we
chill.
gotta attack gold today. You know, I just started.
You just started, just getting warmed up, huh?
Gotta get a W on gold today. So
Yeah,
chat,
I had
our
a good-
focus is gonna be gold for the rest of the day. Easy call, chat. Easy call. If you've been learning from me, you know how the flips go. This was literally textbook by textbook on how I teach you. You got an OG and a candle flip. Anybody take it? Let me know in the chat if anybody took it. Wait, Husky, I gotta look at your screen, huh? They can't see it. I'm just looking.
Yeah. Oh, I'm like literally.
Oh, you're in buys.
Uh-huh.
I got you.
I'm waiting right now because my EA, I'm waiting for a close above 21 on the 15-minute, and which could potentially happen now because there's a minute left and we're currently above it. I like that. So what I'm gonna wait to see is gold like pull down a little bit and then punch it.
Interesting. Hell yeah, Mr. Darian took it. Let's go. Why GJ look like it's punching the air right now?
Oh,
up with
they
that?
gapped down below a daily area that I had. Ooh, Dow could be sells today. Come on.
I gotta take a picture of this on the 5-minute. See the flip. Hopefully our break even holds and this can just tank for the day. As you know, we did take those partials, just letting the rest run.
One.
Let me see, we took partials like what, 79 pips in? 77 pips in? Took Partials. I think it was 77. Let the runner go. Alright, y'all, we're just letting the runner go. That's it. I'm gonna put some notes up here for you. Why is this white? Let me get black. Okay.
Hey, let's buy gold on the 15-minute. Just hit my buy area again. But
Oh,
this
really?
time this time I'm extra confident because my EA just crossed. It just freaking went green, 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 green. And I'm like, ooh, I like this.
Well, chat, we gotta celebrate.
Oh my god, Aaron, you there?
Yeah,
I'll be back.
I blow a bag today. I don't do nothing for gas. I blow the bag today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, chat, you know, all that was patience and waiting for your setup. We didn't see what we wanted when the candle first shot up. Didn't see anything, and then after 5 minutes, it kind of set up what we like to see, and we saw what we trained for, and that's it. That's simple, right? So, you know, sometimes you may not execute your move right away, right off the bat, but other times, hey, you know what I mean? It's just patience, chat. You know? Remember, you want to treat every trade individually. All right? Every single trade. I guess we're going to have this one running in the background. Predictions. Let's go over here for predictions. Let's talk about it. Gotta minimize y'all. Oh, hold on. We had Odd Wave enter the chat. Odd, I got a W trade. Thank you, Odd. I gotta play your little intro song.
Take heat. Fuck these niggas up.
Patience. Hey, chat, can I get a patience in the chat? What's up, Saxy? Hope y'all catch some fat backs today. I'm taking a break in the bathroom. Hey, Karan, we just did. Let's go. Real knowledge, good morning. New day, new beginning. Never give up. You know it. Let's go. But yeah, you just missed it. Took partials. We just got this open. So we're up 38, 39 pips. Cash flows down here. But again, we already took those partials. So we're chilling. Yeah. Okay. I wanted to look at this on a higher time frame. Real quick.
You'd be so happy.
I'm back, y'all. I'm back.
Mans, why'd you just play that for wave?
Hey, Linz, based off of what gold is doing right now, this is the perfect one.
Bro,
Oh, wait,
I'm telling you, if this daily candle flips bearish, 32 pips away from flipping bearish. If it flips bearish, hello.
Oh wow, Aaron,
Wow, look at that on the 4 hour. Although it is ranging up on the 4 hour. I don't know if you see GJ in the 4 hour. Ah, no, GJ, don't be like that.
Gold, cut it out, buddy.
Ain't gonna lie, GJ gotta get it together. Alright, chat. I could see it if it does continue. What is this? Getting down to around this area.
Yeah, I exited you there.
Oh, you aimed it right there?
Yeah, I already exited. I got 100 pips and I got out.
Nice. Did you enter when I entered, or you took an impulse at the top?
So I kind of knew because that it was gonna shoot past where my zone was, so I kind of went back into my zone, and I got in.
Okay.
Holy crap. By the way, Aaron, I just wanted to quickly show you. So this is what we were talking about earlier, right? Look at that. Cross happens, retest. it happened on the 5. It happened on the 15. And right now, currently, it's happening on the 30, where it's above the 8, and on the hourly, it's above the 8. So it looks like gold setting up for a big move push up. It looks like literally gold is setting for a big push up, and we're in this. We just hold now. Now we just hold. I'm like a little child.
I'm like a little child. That's funny.
No, I am sometimes when I have my coffee.
GJ's going back towards break even. We're like 16, 15 pips away from break even.
Where was GJ? Yeah, Linz, because look at this. Linz, look at my screen.
Yeah, see, that's what I see. Yeah.
Your stop could have been below the low right there, and then just write
You
it
took
down
a
and
buy
then write it
there?
out.
Oh, no.
No,
you
I
just
didn't take it. I
explained
didn't take it. I
got
just because when you were like, "Oh, GJ selling," and I was like, "Oh, let me see where I think it go down to." I was like, "Oh, it's either coming down there or it's either."
I
coming
have
down
my
here."
first zone there where your line is.
Yeah.
That's why I took my partials. Actually. Yep.
You did the exact same thing as well.
Went straight to it.
Oil, I love this entry on oil today. Holy shit, we got out too early again for 100 points.
Tough. All right, chat. Looks like that's it for the runner. It looked like that is it.
Aye, but you still bagged a massive bag on that one, Linz. That was nice. How many pips was
Appreciate
that
it,
again?
yeah. You said how many pips?
Yeah, wasn't it like 80 pips or something?
Yep.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
All right, chat. Runner got taken out, but it's all good. We are chilling. We are chilling. So this was the trade of the day right here.
Aaron, you see this?
Small trade. So I'm gonna keep this here. So we can take
Yeah, I
a
see.
picture later of what we do.
See what you see what it's doing,
Discord.
right?
Yep.
That's the same thing it did on the 15 above the 8. So it's basically doing the same move but on the 30 now.
Hey, is the multiplier not always the same? Husky?
Wait, what was that?
Is the multiplier not always the same?
It can be different for depending on what you have to use it for currency pairs. You have to use it slightly differently.
Yeah, it's different for US 30 and for gold than what it would be for like GJ sometimes.
Yep.
If you need it, let me know, because I remember I left an example in mine in case I forgot.
So right now, my first GJ trade, I had my multiplier at 697. I just took it for the GJ and I'm putting a different multiplier in already. But Husky told me to match it up with what I got in my Hanko.
Ah, gotcha. Tamika, good morning. Hi, Tongue Twist. So yeah, chat, looks like we started off this morning with a W. Hopefully you bagged the 77 pips. It went a little further than 77 pips, but not too bad, you know. Not too bad. Let me measure this out. Trading view. It's all the way to 81. 81, wow. Alright, so I'm just kind of letting the news simmer out a bit. We got plenty of time today. Probably going to be concentrated on gold now. Oh, we got unemployment claims at 8:30, Husky.
Yep.
Red folder, too.
Mm-hmm.
10 o'clock. Oh, Powell's gonna test stuff. Okay, Powell speaks at 10. Interesting.
Oh, again.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even notice that. How did I miss that? Oh my day. Oh well. Yeah, that's like 3 p.m. for me.
I gotta get y'all on the stream. Let me see if I can maybe able to finesse it. Oh, there we go.
Unemployment claims might be interesting though. That can sometimes present a move.
I got Husky on the screen here. Yeah, unemployment claims is interesting sometimes.
It's funny because sometimes it's red and sometimes it's orange, isn't it?
Yep.
You know.
Changes around a bit. Let me see. Okay, I kind of got y'all grouped there in a small little thing above me. Did you take a trade today, A7?
No, I didn't, lass. I wasn't, and you wouldn't have seen my post on the main chat yet, but I'll tell you, you know, I had my bike test this morning, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, how'd that go?
I went to the petrol station, I filled it up with petrol, I'm walking away from it to go and pay for my petrol, and someone shouts, hey, your bike's pissing petrol all over the ground. I'm like, nah, mate. And I had a look, and it really was. I'm like, shit. So I quickly went and paid for my petrol, and long story short, I very daringly drove it home because it was running petrol onto my hot exhaust. So I very daringly drove it back home, and it turns out on the top of the fuel tank, there's 2 spot welded brackets that hold the fairings on, and one of those brackets has come away, and the spot weld has rusted out and created a hole, and the fuel was just running out of that hole because I'd filled the tank up full.
Oh no.
So
I'm sorry.
the bike only got as far as the goddamn petrol station.
Wow.
Oh no, man, it's like awful because like now I've got to figure
You
out
spending so
welding a
much
fuel
time on
tank.
it too.
I know, and welding a fuel tank ain't no mean feat because you've got to degas it and all sorts of stuff. You can't just like
I
pour
was
the
gonna
petrol out
say,
and weld
out
it.
of
You
all
know, you've got
things,
to.
the fuel tank.
I know, I can't believe it. I'm
Yeah, I would
honestly
have said, all right,
astonished.
that's now we're just making it difficult.
Yeah, it's really testing my patience. I'm not gonna lie.
How long
I'm
do you
not
think that's
gonna
gonna
lie.
take? Or are you just gonna bring it somewhere?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna have a word with my brother because my brother's although he's doing managerial work nowadays, he's actually a trained welder fabricator, so he can weld. So it's a matter of emptying my fuel tank of the fuel. I'll have to disconnect all it because it's got internal electronic fuel pumps and fuel senders and all that gubbins.
Heading
So
out.
I'll have to take all that out. Then have to fill it with water to expel all the gases from the petrol. Then empty it, weld it, let it dry out, and reassemble the damn thing.
Yeah, see how much work that is? I would have been like,
Yeah.
you know what? I'm just gonna take it
Yeah.
somewhere.
Yeah. It's
That's complex.
Yeah, it's a bit of work. But what makes it a bit worse is if there's a hole straight through, see the inside of a fuel tank is lined with like a plastic coating, which means it's also rusted through that plastic coating, which means moisture can now get underneath that plastic coating and eventually the whole fuel tank's going to need recoated on the inside again.
Oh, I see.
So yeah, it's a nightmare, but hey,
Let's say your brother could get it done, both of you. How long do you think that's gonna take? Like a week? Or like
yeah,
a
I mean,
month?
nah, we should be able to get it done at the weekend. Well, I'm
Oh,
not sure
okay.
because I
That may
know
not be
I
too
know
bad.
he's got some stuff on, but I mean, I could easily drive down with it one night and get it done, though, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a bit gutted about that, but hey ho, it is what it is, you know.
Yep. I'm just figuring out my zones for today. It's all complex.
Yeah, it is a bit.
For sure.
For right now, I'm gonna keep this like this.
Dude.
Oh, I forgot to put my music back on. Sorry, chat. I forgot to put the music back on for y'all. My fault. My fault. We vibing.
That GBP news did 100 pips wick to wick on GU, and 100 pips on GU is a lot, man.
Oh yeah.
But the body of it's pretty kind of.
I could have made a little more on this trade. I risked a little bit less than 1%. I could have went a little higher, but kind of leave a little cushion for, you know, the spread and the volatility and not being triggered. You gotta leave a little cushion sometimes in volatile times.
80 pips is a nice. Oh shit! Excuse my language. Yeah, 80 pips is a nice win for today.
Oh Jesus, Aaron. Yo, GU went back in that area that I was talking about earlier today morning at like 3 a.m.
GU be messing about right now.
It went back there and then up.
Wait, A7, you took GU during this?
No, I didn't touch it last.
Oh, okay.
No, I wasn't ready for it.
Let's see. Yeah, in Golden, it's little I'm gonna consolidate stage. Cool.
I think gold's been consolidating for something like 48 hours, is it not?
Yeah, I'm not gonna throw any levels on it till we get closer towards 8 o'clock. I just have my main zones that I'm looking at, like market structure, but other than that, I'm kind of chilling on gold. I know it's gonna take at least 30 minutes to kick around here. So chat, we gotta get a poll for today, chat. We need a poll. Let's see. I got y'all with the poll. I'm gonna get y'all talking today. And then we're gonna talk about my question I put in the main chat yesterday. I didn't get to read them all. Let's see, today's poll. Okay, I got this one. I just gotta type it out, so bear with me.
Oh wait, Linz, Aaron, do we have some big news coming out tomorrow by any chance or no? I haven't checked yet.
Tomorrow, there's some EU news
For tomorrow?
red folder, and there's some GBP news during London
We got
time.
the flash PMI stuff for Euro and GBP and USD.
Oh yeah, USD
All that
later on.
flash stuff, yeah.
9:45 East.
Hey, what that EU trade looking like?
Oh, we got stopped at break even, but I took
Yeah.
partials like 80 pips in. Yeah.
How you feel trading that for the first time?
I used to trade it before, but not swing it like that. But honestly, it's very slow. I see what people mean. Like, I get it. You get good stop losses because it's doesn't really move too much.
It's just
Yeah,
you know.
it's pretty slow. But I could have just caught it in like a choppy time. But not too bad. Alright, yeah, I'm almost done with the poll. I'm just getting my options together for you.
Alright guys, I'll be back in like 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna go take a shower.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I have to head to the I have to go to the office today for a couple of meetings, and we've got a barbecue later today. So.
Coming to your house.
Wait, what happened?
Barbecue, I'm coming to your house.
Oh no, it's not in my house. We're having a barbecue in my office today. We're finishing work at 2 and then just getting wasted.
Oh.
Yeah,
Nice. Liquidity up 40 pips on GU. Might hold it for NY sush. Nice. Congrats. You got break even or you're just like holding it out? So welcome y'all, those of you who came late. I see y'all. You saying something, A7?
No, sorry.
No, man.
So chat, you see the poll there? We got what music genre would you choose if you could listen to one for the rest of your life? Rock, metal, hip hop, rap, country, classical. It wouldn't let me do another option. If I had another option, I'd just put other. Hip hop all day.
Should have put R&B on there.
Wait, you know what Aaron would pick?
What?
K-pop.
K-pop.
Go on your own. Ain't nobody choosing it.
Oh.
K-pop.
I just had to fuck with Aaron like that. There's no way I couldn't fuck with Aaron like that.
Yeah, I gotta go with my hip hop for sure. R&B, yeah, I should put R&B there. My bad, y'all. I was typing it out quick, but you know what I meant. All together, you know. R&B, rap, yeah.
If I'm putting R&B rap, there's only 2 artists that I'm vibing to.
It's my favorite, but I do listen to everything. I listen to everything except for classical. I don't really listen to classical too much. Maybe a little bit.
I've got to pick rock because I play guitar, so that'd be my pick. Although I like country as well, because that's kind of... I play blues a lot on the guitar, so country is quite similar, you know?
Mm-hmm. Oh, house music. I see, house.
Wait, Linz, what do you think we should have right now? Should we have chocolate flavored coffee or blueberry vanilla cream coffee?
Wait, blueberry vanilla? You said I was bougie. What?
You get those like Keurig pods. Me and Leah went to this coffee store and we got like a shit ton of Keurig pods, like different ones for everything, like 2-3 Keurig pods of like every single flavor that they had.
Okay, this is gonna depend on one thing. How hyper do you feel right now?
Aaron, you want to answer that?
Yeah, he's snow bunny hyper right now.
So I don't think you need the chocolate. I'm gonna say the blueberry.
That's my first cup of coffee. I'm literally making my second cup now before I leave for the office. Like, what the hell? I've only just had 1 cup and I'm about to eat a croissant with it.
Oh, speaking of chat, we went out last night, and guess who was next to me? Guess who was next to me, chat? Guess who was next to me? I wish Dope Trading was here. I don't know. Dope Trading, let me know if you're here, because you'll be excited for this. There was a game last night.
Rocking Hills.
Nah, Candace Parker and a few other WNBA players. They had a game.
Oh.
Dope. There you are, Dope. Candace Parker, bro. Candace Parker was next to me for like a good 30-40 minutes. There was a lot of them in there. Some of them were on the college team that were in there, but they had just had a game. So I guess we went to their spot. The timing of things is crazy. The Wall Street Trapper, wait, what?
EU was pulling up to that weekly.
I don't even know who that is.
I swear I turned the freaking dryer on last night and none of the clothes are dry.
Your dryer's got issues then, bro.
Bro, I've definitely done that before.
Oh, because my washer, to go with my suit, were in the dryer. Oh, God.
You either forgot or that dryer took a day off, mate.
Oh, like I turned it on before I went to bed. Because me and
Yeah.
Leah were painting. While we were painting, I did all the laundry. So once we got the painting done in the basement, I was like, "Oh, clothes are washed. Let me go freaking put them in the dryer and we'll go to bed."
Honestly,
And then
though,
put 'em-
there are some other NBA players there, but I didn't really know who they were. But there's people like taking pictures with them. There's a lot of them there, kind of chilling. But yeah, that was cool last night. You know what's funny when you're around celebrities, if you're like next to them and in their circle, and they were kind of like taking shots with one of my family members too, which is kind of funny. But it's like people try to figure out who you are. They're like, wait, who are you? What's your name? Are you important too? It's so weird.
I'm back.
Man,
Gold's
gonna put me to sleep today, man.
Something's up, man. Something's up. I'm
I'm
just
from
not
the
gonna buy
UK. Is this
anymore.
person famous? No, I don't live under a rock. Yeah, she's a legend in WNBA. Yeah. Yep, she's famous. It's like meeting like, damn, I don't know who to compare her to. Trying to think who I could compare her to in the NBA. I don't have a good comparison in my mind, but you know, it's like meeting one of the all-stars, you know. Mommy Captain, good morning.
Okay, guess I'm not wearing my suit today.
I
so
honestly may wait for the next 4-hour candle because if we don't close past this zone, we could retrace up like we did at 10 o'clock yesterday. Wait, and weren't you in that yesterday?
Wait, which one?
Gold?
Yeah, I was in gold yesterday. I took like 120 pips.
Yeah,
I
at
took
10
one trade
o'clock,
that was
right?
80.
Or let me see.
Yeah, I took one that was 80 and the other one was like 120. That's the one that I posted in the Discord yesterday. I got those ones and I had one US 30 trade, which was a loss for like 20 points. So it's whatever.
Not bad. 20 points, yeah. Alright, chat, I'm gonna go to the main chat because I asked y'all a question last night. Hey, Lewis took a picture of his 100 pips. I was gonna say, let's see what's in the main chat today. Damn, I'm zoomed in. 300% zoom is crazy. Let's go, Lewis. Hey, Lewis, how did that feel? Seeing 110 on your screen.
For it to being the first time, it actually felt amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you,
It
man.
let me know right there that, you know what I'm saying, I can accomplish whatever I set my mind to.
Mm-hmm.
And manifesting that for a long time, actually. Like saying it every day.
Bro, you've been showing up. You've been putting in the work. You've been asking questions. You just been leveling up, man. You can just tell from the way you talk. The mindset is crazy. I'm proud of you. It's really good to see that though. And I think you took yours a little before me too. Oh, we got Anchor too. Anchor caught 79 pips on gold. I think this was last night though. Nice Anchor. Oh, A7. I don't know. Can I show the bike?
Yeah,
Well,
you
let me
if you
copy a
want.
video to the thing. No.
Right.
I was like, what did I come into the bedroom for? I came in to check the goddamn temperature for today, if I have to wear a jacket or not.
That's crazy. How come I can't show the video? I guess I can't. Okay, let me see. Tongue twist gave you W, Lewis. All right, y'all. So I'm going to ask those who are here the same question that I asked those in the chat last night. I'm just going to copy and paste it here. Okay, feel free to explain as much as you want or as little as you want. All right. So the question is, if you won $1 million today, like right now, you got $1 million cash, how much of that would you put in your personal trading account?
I already gave her, from my end, I already gave everyone a detailed answer last night.
Just replace my pinned message chat. There we go. Let's see what the chat says. You'd put 50K in. You put half of it in. 250K, 25K, 300K. Now, I asked you this question for a reason because I wanted to see where your mindset was. The mindset of an investor, the successful ones, the mindset of entrepreneurs, right? You ever hear the word leverage? People who have money know how to use leverage, right? So leverage is when you kind of spread your money around and you make sure you're good. You know what I mean? So you don't want to be taking that whole chunk and just throwing it in your account. You don't want to take half of that and throw it in your account. You want to take as much as you need to do what you need to do. Make sense, chat? So let's see. I'm gonna read some of the answers on Discord. Tamika, 800K out of the million, 200K in shares and stocks. My goal would be 1% each trading day, 3 days out of the week, 5-day week, compound till I reach $1 million to buy a house. Hey. I already had a goal there, right? Buy a house. King, I would put half the money in 2 separate trading accounts. To not have all my eggs in one basket, I would divide the rest between crypto, stocks, getting another business, starting to diversify my income. Love it, love it. Okay. Prototype, I would put a quarter of the amount in my trading account and invest the rest in other businesses. Probably a trucking company. I see a lot of people getting into those trucking companies. Lewis, 1% profit, first account 10K. Every quarter I'll take half of this account, put it in my fund money. Okay. 9% goes to savings. Okay, so you're gonna put 90K in your savings. 15% going to tax. 10K fund money. 100K Hanko money. 100K Oanda money. I see how you broke that up there. 50K Robinhood investments, yeah. 50K IRA, 6,200 Roth IRA, 233 rent account, 50K car account, 50K autumns account, 100K OPEX. Yo, Lewis done divided up the whole thing. That's crazy. I love it. I love that you have that planned already. That's what I'm talking about. You want to divide up your money. Let's see, RJ, 25K right to Hanko. Then I could double it and have a 50K account. Yep. That's more than enough to be full-time. More than enough, yeah. Chat, remember, we've been dropping gems on this channel. We've been trying to tell you only need like a 10K to be full-time. You can make 1,000 a day from a 10K. You can make 1,000 a day from a 20K. So anywhere between 10 and 20K is the sweet spot to being full-time. So like RJ just said, if you throw 10, or I'm sorry, he's going to throw 25K in Hanko, he'll have his 50K account. Boom. He's chilling. He'll have 5 times the amount as someone would need to be full-time. Right? And you only spent 25K on that investment. The smart investor, chat. Karan says 30% goes away to taxes. Put 100K in Hanko. 300K to dividends. Ooh, 300K to dividends. That's interesting. 100K in the savings. 200K some sort of property. Okay. I would switch that over. I'd put 300K in savings and 100K in dividends. You know why? Because once you spend something, you can't really get it back. It's not guaranteed you're gonna get it back. So you wanna, when you invest, you wanna slowly invest. There's a lot of people who get money and they throw a big chunk into one thing, and it's kind of like a Hail Mary, and they all go south. So you don't want that to happen. So practice slowly investing. You know, throw 10K in there. You know, next month, throw another 10K in there. Next month, throw another 10K in there, right? Not all at once. Try to divide it up throughout the year. You know what I mean? Husky, you know what I'm saying, huh? You do that.
DCA, dollar cost averaging.
Lucky girl, 10% would give to charity. Always give 10% to whatever charity I earn. That's really sweet. The rest of the 900K is going to be divided 3 ways. 300K to the trading account. 300K to real estate. 300K cash. Nice. Husky says there's something to live by. I'm scared to click on this. No, I'm playing. Alright, let's see how I gotta get that link. Oh, is it gonna load? Go out there, become the type of person that when your feet touch the ground in the morning, the devil says, ah, shit, he's up again. I like that. Did y'all get that? Did I get that for you? I like that. You know, be that person that gets up and gets shit done. You know what I mean? Get up and get shit done. For sure, for sure. I like that. Let's see. Zero, I'm driving down. Soul 2, I got a party for the whole year. Would you still look for your USD sell at a current swing zone? I already took it, so once you take a trade, the trade is over. You know, you go back to it nice and fresh. That's not something that I just trade. That was just like for fun. That wasn't like, you know, I don't just normally swing trade EU, you know what I mean? I noticed the repo crowd. That's funny. Oh wait, we got Husky's answer. Husky would find 2 properties for under the market price, cheaper the better, for around $600K, and refurbish both houses himself with help from his family. He would rent them out for $5K a month. So for 2 houses, that would be $10K a month he'd be making, which is a 12% ROI, return on investment, annually. He'll use $300K and split it out between some of the top weapon manufacturers around the world, collect an average of 15% dividends annually, which is around $45K, and keep $100K as an emergency fund. So for those who didn't understand that, basically he would buy 2 properties within the budget of $600K, right? 2 homes within $600K. He would rent them out for $5K a month each. That's already a guaranteed $10K a month. And the rest of the $300K, the million, he's putting in dividends, where he can make a salary of $45,000. So he's guaranteeing himself $45K for the year. Now imagine guaranteeing yourself a salary and then working on other things. That's how you build up, chat. See, a lot of you talked about throwing half of the money in, 30% of the money in, 50%. Like, you don't use, this is why I ask you these questions. You don't use all your capital to do one thing. You get what I'm saying? You got to divide it up. Once you use it, you can't go back, right? If you get 100K and you use the 100K to put a down payment on a Lamborghini, now you don't have 100K no more. Now it's gone. You could have used that 100K to bring yourself to a whole new light. That 100K could have brought you to $1 million. But instead, you want to put 50K in your trading account, and then you want to put 50K in a supercar. So you can say, hey, I got 50K in my trading account. Why I got 50K in I got a supercar. Well, how you going to pay for that now? You know what I mean? Got to think, chat.
I'd dump most of mine into dividends, I think, as well. And I'd put 100K into a trading account. I would put 100K deposit on the house I'm living in. It's just a small house. It's probably only worth about 130. And the other 800K I would spread across multiple dividends. So, and just live off that salary, basically.
Question: would you spend the entire 800K all on dividends?
No, I'd probably put.
Okay. See, that's what it sounded like you said.
Yeah. No, I'd probably put a couple of hundred aside as an emergency kind of thing in case I ever need any money. You know what I mean? And put $500,000 into dividends or something. Just spread it across, multiple, like housing, pharmaceuticals, weapons, different areas, just to how it goes.
Absolutely, I love it.
Yeah, that's the plan.
There you go. Yeah, definitely. Dividends is a definite, no-brainer.
Yeah, I mean, compared to your money sitting in the bank, it's free money, isn't it? So why have your money sitting in the bank when someone's going to give you free money for it sitting in there?
Literally can create a whole salary for yourself. Throw 100K in there, now you got a salary for life.
Exactly.
The rest of your life, a salary where you already guarantee yourself to never work again. Now you got to work on what else you want to do. Liquidity, welcome back. LZ Maxwell, hi, welcome to the official fan. Welcome. Turim, you got the banks there. Let's see, chat. How many times are we gonna rob the bank today, chat? Well, not the bank, but you know what I mean. We shall see. Where is this? See if we can get a big one on gold today. It'll take a lot of patience though. Tell you what, good amount made today.
That GJ trade was a banger.
Yep. It was a perfect flip on the 5 minute too.
Yeah, it was nice.
Came up here on the 30 minute. It's kind of teeter-tottering around the same area.
GU's doing the same. It's like it's back into the range it was before the new set.
Mm-hmm. A7, question for you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, give me your opinion.
Right.
What if I stop live streaming at the end of this year in December?
Stop live streaming.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, to be fair, I wouldn't blame you in the slightest, because I only see some of the crap that gets thrown at you. You know, I only see a very small portion of it, and that's enough for me to say I don't blame you if you decide to stop live streaming, lass. You know, there's so many people up here that's, I don't know, just so unappreciative, and there's people out there stealing material, and it's like, damn. You know, I
a
wouldn't
lot of
blame you at
stealing
all, to
going
be
on.
fair, you know. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard being in your position. I can see that. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. I'd be a little sad. Oh, Kareem. Okay, how about this? What if we stop streaming on YouTube, but we could stream somewhere else?
It's a
Or
possibility.
actually, we can stream on YouTube just for the members.
Aye, just keep it members only.
Yeah, we can do that. We could do that. I'll let them, not my members, but everyone else trying to make it in trading. I'll let them dwell in what they have available, since that's what they dwell in.
Hey, Lance.
Yep.
So my question is, what about the new people that's just now seeing you for the very first time that are serious?
That are here?
No, that's like not here. You don't know them yet, but they are just being introduced to trading, and then they serious, like they want to be a member. Are you going to?
I don't know if
like,
they really exist, bro. I mean, my name's not brought up in anything. Like, it's almost like I don't exist. I don't even think people know.
All right, yo, what's up? I'm back.
You know?
All right.
Yeah.
Yo, Aaron.
Yes, mate.
Fucking trimmed it up.
Nice.
If you go to like other streams and other chats, you'll see what I mean, Lewis.
What am I going to other streams and other chats for?
No, I just mean you're
you
gonna
know?
see a lot of newbies because there's a lot of people. Trading's trending, so that means there's a lot of new people
Oh, trading's definitely trending. Huh?
trying to get into it.
Yeah.
Whenever something's
Everybody else
trending,
got
there's
a
a lot of
course
new
stuff.
people.
They want to sell a course and they don't want to sell knowledge.
Yeah.
When I got that first understanding, my very first stream of being here, I got so much knowledge, and it was just like crazy how much knowledge that I actually got versus searching up all these videos on YouTube of nobody telling me, basic, this support, this resistance, stuff you get on Baby Pips. People explain it all the time.
Recycled information. That's what I call it.
Exactly. And then once you incorporated psychology on the very first time, and that like kind of blew my mind for real. Because like I was struggling with it.
Yeah, psychology it's extremely important. Like, you can't trade without it. There's no way. It's like our mind decides whether to enter a trade, so we got to get our mind right. So if our mind ain't right, trade ain't gonna be right for us. We're gonna mess it up without trying to mess it up.
I can count to that.
Yeah, I really can't tell what gold's doing here. I really can't tell which direction it's taking.
Yeah, I'm actually watching it to see if it breaks through 1924. Or I'm sorry, 1925. I figured that'd be kind of actually. Let me put my bank zones on and see. Right around here. Okay, yeah.
I don't know if you noticed this little it's been bouncing off this little funky area all goddamn day. I'm just kind of like waiting to see what it's gonna do here. I already tested out yesterday, day before yesterday's low, and it did not want to break it, and immediately pushed up. So. Like it's hard to tell what gold's gonna do here. It's very hard to tell what it's gonna do here.
We got news, y'all, at 8:30. Just so y'all know. Put that up there. Just watch you wherever you stream at. I'll be there for sure. I appreciate it, Marco. Before I subscribe, became a member, I would see you pop up my feed and watch Trader Nick, so maybe that's how you came up most likely. Ah, really, really. I think there are new people who are eager or willing to learn. Please don't stop. I heard about you from my cousin. He had such amazing positive experience. Never stopped watching since I started. Thank you, Fit Girl. Yeah, Fit Girl, I know you've been here a long time. Just closed half on gold. Wait.
Whoa, what did you take? What did you take?
Yeah, what trade?
There is the setup. Please let me know.
You closed half on gold last week, right? That's what you meant to say, right? Last week? That's lit.
You must have got in the trade at 1:30 this morning. 2:30 EST.
Don't tell me you took a sell off of the zone or something. What, this 715? Well, maybe on the 5 minute it looks up. Maybe. Okay, maybe you took a candle flip down here in the 5 minute. Is that what you did?
Close half.
Share the wealth. Closed half. 5 minute. Oh, you did do that. The 5 minute flip, right?
Okay.
I see. What was that, like 35, 40 pips?
I can see that.
See, Kareem, it makes sense. See, once I go on a 5 minute, I got you. I'm glad you closed half. That's good trade management there. You say, you know what? Let me not be greedy. Take what I can get. Oh, 10 pip stop loss. Or not, 8 pip stop loss. Nah, 10 pip stop loss. Oh, that ain't bad. You're a warrior. I wouldn't have traded in that range, but you got it. He said he closed half. Watch this thing tank now.
He said it's a bank zone right there.
Oh, the 1930 zone. So I looked at our GJ trade yesterday and I was like, all right, the candle flips on the 15 minute. If you go back for GJ specifically, a lot of those, just studying the chart, could be a lot of fake outs where that second 15 minute candle makes a steeper bottom lick, like what happened to us yesterday. So maybe giving those a little bit more space, you know what I mean? To breathe. And then my other theory was, well, on GJ, 30-minute candle flips are pretty accurate, I'd say. So I may treat GJ like that, but the 5 minutes are good too. There goes gold. I think gold is out of here if we break this low. Yeah, we broke 1925.
Yep, about the tank.
Chat, I'm gonna wait for the new 4-hour candle because we have less than an hour, so we got like 45 minutes. And that's gonna be a whole new big candle, so maybe we'll do something with that. Wait, Husky, where did you get your zone yesterday? Because I don't even...
Yesterday?
I see it on the 1 minute.
So this was Linz. This was the weekly zone, I believe. Let me pull it up here. This was the weekly? No.
A weekly zone?
No. It wasn't weekly. It wasn't weekly. Let me pull it up here. It was in the hourly. If you look to the left, I'll tell you exactly where. But you can, like, if you go down like 30 minute, you can break it down further.
Thing there.
So
Okay,
16th of
wow.
March, 2023.
Which line? Oh, that.
16th March, 8 p.m.
Maybe I should have just went more to the left then. Okay, let me see.
It's on the 16th of March.
I'm on the 4-hour. Reasons why. Oh, I see it. Without even zooming in. Okay. That makes sense. You think it's possible we can go straight down there again? So I'm thinking.
We could.
Thinking we may have a repeat of yesterday. Because that means taking forever.
To me personally, this sell just seems absurd. So for me, I don't like this. I don't like.
It's having a lot of trouble selling off here. I think we're gonna create a range here. Even you know what? Look, the claims are about to drop in 15 minutes. The claims can come down to that area, pickle around a little bit, and then at 9 o'clock we can flip right back up. You know what I mean?
No. Another closed failure. Holy shit, what are you doing? No, this is actually stupid. This is the second time it's failed to, third time it's failed to close there. Yesterday and twice today so far. Which to me is just absolutely just, no, that's stupid. That's just stupid.
Hey, now I did tell you this morning that it's messy.
Yeah. It was clean over here, and then when the moment this drop happened, it was just like, I'm like, oh, god damn it.
Bro, I'm trying to get my candles right. Sorry, chat. I know y'all looking at this like, what the hell is she drawing a picture? It's too much going on.
And weekly, well, EU just hit that weekly resistance with the deadly institutional.
Wait, what hit? What?
Yeah.
The EU on that
As much as
weekly.
I like your
Remember,
stream, continue
remember
to
like
vote the right way.
was
Whatever you
that?
choose, support, respect your decision. Ah, thank you, Tamika.
Last week.
Oh, yeah. No, it's not
Here
there
to
for me
India,
yet.
good morning. Thank you, y'all. If anything, y'all, it'll just be for members, y'all.
Oh,
if
wait,
anything.
yeah, you're talking about that one. Yeah.
So no
I see
worries.
that. I see what you're talking
It'll
about.
just be for the members. Come here because the community, it's educational, fun, everyone, different continent, connect and interact, shut down. Great reason.
Husky, you can look at my screen.
Yeah, I'm gonna be hopping out of here in like 10 minutes.
Dope
like,
trading.
Yeah.
No, you didn't miss anything.
It says streams paused. I don't see it.
Stream. Oh.
Mm-hmm. All right, now, nope. Yep, now I see it. Now I see it. Yep.
All right, we got
So
42
at
minutes
first
On
I
the
had
daily. Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, it's on a daily. At first I had it for the weekly, and it just never touched it.
Yeah, no, I see what you're looking at.
That candle was supposed to be bullish, by the way, but on my broker, it took bearish as well. So
I just want to say, I got up to 50K yesterday in poker.
God damn.
cheating. You and Almighty got the codes.
Listen.
Hey, hold on, wait. Let's actually talk about who was that came in yesterday and bet half they hand on the first.
I think that was Karan.
Need to be
Oh, Karan, he's right there in the chat too.
Need to be spanked.
Came through, said 50% risk.
54 to be exact.
I remember that. Linz was like, "Hey, where the stop loss at?"
Exactly. That was and me scared, and I wasn't even playing yet.
Dollar gonna drop, leave your room, power speech, reversal in my analysis. See, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking a reversal as well. Lens, don't break my heart this way. No, you're good, Cater Tender. You're good. We're just having a conversation, y'all. It's just conversation. What's up, Kay? Love the vibe. Cancel the shoes. Can't. Have you seen all that? Got me asking what was the reason. Nah, nothing to worry about, chat. Nothing to worry about.
Like, I believe in it going up, but at the same time, the setup from a technical perspective is going down. Like, in the next 10, 11 minutes, they need to break Linz. They have to push it above 1928. If they're going to fly this thing, they have to push it above 1928.
Let me, I still didn't put no levels on here. I should probably get to that right now.
No, because if you look at my, if you see what I'm looking at, Linz, I'm looking for this break.
Some zones up here. I'm really trying to wait till after the news to put my zones on and then kind of reevaluate where we are. But no, to me, we're still in a good spot. I mean, to me, we can get down to 1919 even and still reverse up. If I look way over there, but if I look right here, let me see. It's a tough area. Today's Thursday too, so I could see today being fall day and Friday being pull-up day, if you know what I mean.
Yep.
So maybe we may continue today. I mean, I've really been loving the 30-minute ungo. It's been setting up a lot of flips, so we'll see what happens.
Nice. 6 boss. Only if I was in it. I was looking at this morning too.
You just found out about the Submarine yesterday? Oh, what do we think about the Submarine? I think it's very sad. But I think there's a billionaire up there, right? A billionaire and his son, and then like a biologist. I forget who the other person is.
The CEO of the company's on there too.
Oh, the CEO of the company. Yeah. If you put yourself in their position, I just can't imagine what they feel. So, not the way you want to go out, right? It's terrible. But at the same time, I mean, that's something I would never do. I'm not going to the depths that far of the ocean. Like, I've been out in the middle of the ocean, chat, on a cruise ship, and that was enough. At nighttime, look, midnight in the middle of the ocean, when you look around, all you see is the same thing, okay? When you're deep out there, it all looks the same, bro. Especially when the water's calm. Oh, shit. You don't know what direction, yo.
Yo, even in the daytime, it's scary.
It's scary, right? When you go way out there, yo.
360 degrees around you is just pure water. It's like,
Pure
damn, if
water.
it goes down, I got a hell of swimming to do, you know?
Yeah. Can't see the bottom.
No, mate.
It's too much. It's too much.
The ocean is
It's
not
it's
to be
super
taken
scary
lightly.
at nighttime. Super scary in
Oh,
the
yeah.
daytime if you're out there too.
Nighttime be worse because you don't see them 30-foot waves coming.
Yeah. Chad, I got
All of
caught
a
in a
sudden,
storm
you
once
know.
on a cruise ship, and that was the scariest thing I've been through. So, in that moment, we had an emergency thing too on the cruise ship. So, I kind of think back to that when I think about what happened with the Submarine, because we just thought, shit, this is
Done
it.
for.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
that feeling is, you know, especially being out there, like, who's gonna come see us? Like,
Yeah.
but you know, we were prepared to Titanic it out, chat. Don't worry. We were prepared. You know, gotta get something in your hand that floats. You know what I'm saying? We about to be hanging on for a long time.
See, if you go in here
Take
in
me
the
out.
summer,
Then they'll make a movie about Lens, and Lens is gonna be they're like an old lady just sat there like, by the way, yeah.
Shit, whatever I could find, I'm hanging on to that. Y'all gonna find me a week later, still standing. The only thing that would get me is the damn hypothermia, though. The hypothermia is real.
yo, if you fell into the water where I am in Scotland, North Scotland, in the winter, you've got about 2 minutes to live.
Right,
mate.
1 sec. Gotta call them in.
Screw the sharks. Oxygen is their problem. Yeah. They run out of oxygen, huh? Yeah, you're right. That's worse. That is worse. Y'all ever see anybody here ever see The 100?
Yeah. That's a brilliant program.
Yeah, that was a good show, right?
Yeah, I loved it.
Yeah. When they cut off that oxygen, it was like shit really set in. Psh. But yeah, we need oxygen, Chad. That's that's a must.
Alright, guys.
So yeah, I feel for them. I feel for their families too, you know. I wish we could help, but there's nothing we can really do. I do know that this morning they said that they sent out like a little submarine sensor thing. I don't know, and it heard noise, but they gotta pick up on what noise that they heard. So I don't know if that's taking steps, but we got 4 minutes to these claims. The materials the sub was made out of, the guy created even said we're not supposed to use, but he did it anyways. Wait, so was this their first time using that submarine, like trying it out?
Yep.
Wait, so your first time using a submarine, you're gonna go to the depths of the Titanic?
Damn, that was stupid.
Yo, they ain't even make it feasible enough to get the oxygen from the water.
Bruh.
No, and the thing is, I don't know if any of you know.
I'm not
this,
even an
but-
expert, and I know not to do that.
I'm just joking.
Wait, yeah, I don't know if any of you know this, but the tanks actually, the submarine actually went missing on Sunday, and there was a video about it from one of the engineers who made it, and that submarine only had 96 hours worth of oxygen for 5 people.
Is somebody shaving?
Liquidity, oh my god.
Jesus, liquidity.
Imagine your last breath being somebody's far away. What?
No, so you didn't even have enough oxygen in there, by the way. It was only enough oxygen to last you, like those like 96 hours for 5 people, and it was packed with 5 people.
Wait, let me ask
Oh.
you this. Did they know there was only so much oxygen? Or did they discover this after they left?
No, they knew that. They knew
Oh
that.
no,
The trip
they
was-
knew.
Their trip was never meant to be more longer than 48 hours.
And how much oxygen did they have?
96 hours
96.
worth of oxygen.
96 hours? The trip don't need to be longer than 1 hour. What the
No,
hell?
it was a 48-hour trip, Lynn.
1 hour trip. We got 96. We got 1 hour. And that way we got 95 left to figure shit out. Hell no. Right, chat? Chat knows. Actually, fuck that. 0.5% risk. We got half an hour. We got 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, we're not even going to get all the way down there. So, actually, in 30 minutes, we're not even going to get that far out. 30-minute shit. Hell
There she
no.
goes.
There's
They're
no
about- They're
way.
about to do it. Lens, they're
I
about
go
to
on a
do it.
submarine.
This thing's about to pop.
And we have
I need them to break this trend line. Come on, I need you to break this thing.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. All right, chat. I'm gonna pull gold for a second and insert some levels.
All right, I'm gonna put my socks on because 2 minutes after news drop, I have to head to the office.
He is doing it.
Wait, you're taking a trade on the news, or you're waiting? Oh, wait, where'd Husky go?
He's about to go put his socks on.
Oh. I thought he was joking. He really went to go put socks on.
I'm back. My head just fucking died.
Oh.
Oh.
You're taking I'm putting in some levels here.
What was that one?
I put in some levels here.
I already took a buy and got out. I took a buy at 1924 and I got out at 1926. Today's been a weird day. I'm right on the day,
Yeah.
but it's okay. We had a great day yesterday, so I'm okay with that.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, sometimes you're green, sometimes you're red. Part of the game.
Absolutely. All right, here we go, y'all. 33 seconds. I'm not taking an impulse on this. I'm just watching, but I do have 2 zones here. I'm just watching.
That was not a good, even though I made money on that trade, that was not a good trade to take. That was not a good trade to take because that was just fucking, now that right there was gambling, ladies and gents.
Hopefully the Little Mermaid steps out. The risk management was off.
All right, here we go.
Jack Sparrow tip. Y'all are funny.
Here we go.
You don't trade gold? Wait, how come? Why not? Anyone else here don't trade gold? I'm curious.
Oh, they tapped my trend line. They might sell off here. They might just sell off here. Nope, they broke, and they hold it.
It's going up.
Jesus. The whole day, Aaron. We waited for this the whole damn day. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, there it goes, breaking nicely.
Gotta love it, right?
Mm-hmm.
What did you do? Oh, gee, you barely moved. What on earth? It's still rainy, yeah.
US 30's not moved at all.
I'm gonna leave G.
I bet. I'm thinking US 30 between 9:30 10. I'm gonna take a look at it. Well, before 10, of course.
Wait, what's the news coming out again?
The Powell, right? Powell speaking.
No, Powell's at 10. I'm going to be watching that.
Oh, what this is right now?
It's
Is it?
unemployment claims. Unemployment claims. There's barely any change. That's why there's no movement. It's a dud. It's a dud, ladies and gentlemen. It's only up. Unemployment's only up 3,000. So that's not that significant. That gold has a big move out of it, but it still could push quite a bit.
Push up to come down, possibly at this point.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. We gonna wait for the 4-hour candle chat.
All right, and in time for the 4-hour
Not
candle,
specifically before, but we're really just waiting for 9 o'clock, honestly.
Mm-hmm. All right, and I'm gonna try and be in the office for the 9 a.m. cab for a 4-hour candle. So I'm gonna head out right now. Call my Uber.
Call my Uber.
Yeah. No, I'm taking Uber to work today because Leah's got the car, right? So. Jesus, for a 4-minute drive, you're charging me $14. Bunch of.
I love that you can buy any car you want, and you're still like, I'm gonna take an Uber.
No, we're happy with one car. Like one car is more than enough for us. We don't need more.
Damn, just throw me under the bus. Shit. Shit.
Yo, Husky, do you not have the GTR anymore, no?
No, I do, but that's only a summer car.
Ah, right.
Bro,
okay,
he
okay.
literally Ubers everywhere.
Oh, I'm fucking driving the GTR for when the fucking gas prices are this high. God damn it, like fuck that.
Yeah,
I might
yeah.
sell it. I have someone who's interested in buying it, so I might just sell it. So, and maybe me and Leah can use that money to buy shit for the house.
Yeah.
Just watch my base, other trades from it. Beginning gold, string me a lot. Made one trade. Okay, you may trade it one day. Yeah. It's one of those pairs where you really, I mean, you gotta study any pair, right? But yeah, definitely gotta do a lot of studying for you practice trade on it. You may like it. Gold for me was something I wanted to master because I found it difficult when I first started trading. And as I got deeper into trading, I really liked it. So I like to solve puzzles, chat. So if it's a puzzle I can't solve, then I'm gonna study it and figure it out. What's up, Rages? We gotta get you your intro song. I can't give you the Booty Hole Brown song, so I'm gonna have to give you some Cole or something. You got a long intro song.
Yo, Vince, have you heard Showstop?
Nope.
Listen to Showstop by Reason.
Showstop.
I should literally like play that song whenever I freaking basically grab like a big trade and just play that song. That's like one
Why
of my go-to songs.
Showstopper by Danny D. Kane pop up?
No. Search Showstop by Reason. Alright, puppy. Nice to you. Love you.
Sorry, bro. I'm just As soon as I seen that pop up, I'm just thinking of the song Showstopper. Okay, let me see. Showstop by...
Reason.
Gotcha.
Oh, Jesus, I forgot the banana bread. Leah made banana bread for everyone in my
I'm gonna
office.
mute my mic and listen to it.
Hey, come on, we want to listen to it, Linz.
Okay, I'll put it on YouTube. Let's get the YouTube out. Let's get it out.
Alright, guys, I'm off. I'm gonna hop off call. You guys have a good day at your trading day. I'm gonna
Yeah.
get to the office. I'll probably, when I get some time in the middle.
Oh no,
pop
you're
back
gonna
to
leave us?
No worries, mate.
Then I'll try to be back on from time to time. I just have to, because I'm heading in right now. I'm just waiting for my Uber to pop up.
Gotcha. Have a good one.
Wait, I'm still here. I'm here for now.
Oh, okay, I got the show stop.
Hey, puppy. Hi.
He's from Canada, I assume. That vibes. That vibes. That's your winning trade song?
Wait, what was that, Linz?
Wait, I see it's DeMarcus in the chat. Yo. Rages.
There's 3 songs I love listening. One's Broken a Minute by Tory Lanez. Then there's freaking What's That by Joyner. And then Showstop by Reason. That literally has to be my playlist that I can listen to on repeat.
No, I like it. It's vibey. I like that one.
He's got more of like, I don't know if you noticed, but he's got more of a Kendrick vibe.
I could see it.
Like if you listen to some of like Kendrick's like songs, like the way he has his lyrics and stuff, he's got like a Kendrick vibe.
I could see it. You think he's from Cali? Oh, well, if he's from Cali, then that would make sense, right? They would have a similar type of sound.
Alright, my Uber's just.
You see gold on the 30-minute, Husky?
I am not looking at my chart right now, but I can quickly look for you. I'm just about to get into my Uber right now.
When you get a chance, look at gold on the 30.
You said gold on the 30?
Mm-hmm.
Look, yeah, I see it. It's like kind of waking up right now. Maybe.
It's like a little small downtrend in a sense. Like it keeps testing off of that. Like if you were to put a trend line off of that area.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about, Lint. But I'll send you a screenshot of mine. Have a look at that. Like I kind of, when I'm looking at trend lines on gold, because the way gold moves, right? I like to have them a little bit tight.
Are we bumping that clarity by that? I know you're not talking about reason. Yo. What's up, Odd? Yeah, you can show me. Oh, you'd have to do it on your phone though, huh?
Yeah, just check out Hangout chat. You'll see it there.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Oh, that's how you're seeing it. I see.
That's what I was like waiting for, was when we had those buys, I was waiting for that extra break just before news, and then around before news, it would like, I was hoping it would pull back and then do the pop, because I've seen it do that a few times. But today's been, I don't know why, but it's just being weird. I think it's just waiting for Powell. I think today is the day where it's just waiting for Powell.
That would make sense. You know what? While we're here, chat, since that could be the case, why don't we check out the last few dates? I think that'll be something we should do. What's up, Jay? You're here from England. I think I see a motorcycle in that picture. Uh-oh. Wait a minute.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You definitely did.
Join the club, Jay. Join the club.
Aaron and Lynn's have a new best friend. Yeah. No, but today's been bad. Today's been not been a good day for me.
Yeah, if you drive a motorcycle, we're automatically best friends. That's how that works.
Mhm.
All right, let's see.
No, Linz, last year when you told me you got your bike, like you were talking about getting the motorcycle, I think you were talking about it last year, or did you get it last year?
No, I got it this year.
Okay, so I think last year we were
Mm-hmm.
talking about it when you and me initially met.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
actually got me interested into
I
getting
got
one, so
I
was
got the
actually
license
looking.
this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, so last year when we were talking about it, right, and with Aaron was talking about it, you guys really got me interested in looking into. I started looking up prices for a Kawasaki H2R.
Oh. Oh wait, you already know how to ride?
Yeah, I know how to ride. I've ridden bikes before. But I
Wait,
not
what?
like legally, but
Wait a minute.
that-
I didn't know that. I didn't even know you knew how to ride. Wait a second.
yeah, I know how to ride.
If you jump straight onto a
Okay.
H2R, I guarantee you're gonna need to change your pants afterwards, mate.
No, dude, I'm used to driving like the Royal Enfield ones. I've driven like a few others.
Buell 1125. Oh yeah, 1125R. Oh,
Oh, the Buell 1125 are lovely. I
I
like
gotta
that.
look that one up. We don't have that. Wait, let me
They
see.
sound ace. They sound amazing. They just sound good.
Yeah. Let me
Yeah,
look
yeah.
that up. Let me go to images. Oh, you got one of those? Okay, I've seen this before. Like in a video. Like on Instagram and stuff. Wow.
Yeah, it's a cool wee bike.
Okay. I see. Oh, by the way, there was a motorcycle accident last night. And it was on fire. And I was like, alright. That was like, oh.
Yeah, that could have been me today. Damn. I don't know what I was thinking driving that thing home, to be
21st.
honest. But
It doesn't look like they want to break gold. It just rejected heavy off of my 50.
I'm gonna go back to March 8th because March 8th was the last time that we had this. I just wanted to see the volume, that's all. It seems like we didn't get volume till 9:30 actually. Gold consolidated till 9:30. 9:45 continued up again. 10 o'clock was a doji. So that's interesting. So it didn't give a damn. It just shot up 80 pips at 9:30. Okay. What you think of that, Husk? Didn't give a damn about the speech. Alright, let's see. Wait, March 7th. Why are there two different dates? How is it March 7th and March 8th?
nah.
Am I missing something?
Wait, hold up. Let me go into mine.
It had to be May 8th, no? Is this a typo?
Well, it says March 7th and 8th on mine as well.
Yeah, is it supposed to be May 8th, I wonder? Somebody getting fired. Uh-oh. Yeah, because March 7th, boom, there goes a big drop at 10. Not much volume before that. So yeah, maybe we're not going to get volume till 10, but...
No, it's right. Fed Chair Powell did testify on March 7th and March 8th.
Really? Testify? I feel like we in court.
No, he has to go in for
Damn,
a
Liz, I
he has
thought
to
we
go
were
in for a
homies. We
call,
are Rages. I got you, Rage.
If Pelosi asks another dumb question, I swear to God, I'm gonna lose in my office today.
If who? One of
Nancy
your
Pelosi.
coworkers?
No, like Nancy Pelosi. You know who that is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. She last time when Powell was testifying, she was asking such stupid questions.
I feel like they all do. To be honest.
Yeah. So like Powell, the thing about him is he's he's very good at articulating his answers. So when someone asks him a question, he's very good at breaking it down and simplifying it. Powell's not the type of guy who talks like, like in the gray. He'll give
Whoa,
you
look
straight
at gold.
facts.
It's dropping. While you're talking, look at gold. Look at that top wick.
Wow.
I do feel like we're gonna range until 10 though, or 9:30 would make sense with that volume.
Yeah. Anyways, y'all, I'm out. Just about to arrive at my office right now. So I will catch you all sometime later today, or else I'll catch you all tomorrow morning.
See
No
ya.
worries,
Thank
bud.
you. Have a good one.
All right. Have a good one. Ciao.
Alright, we're gonna do it like that.
That wick on gold's almost 50 pips. That's some wick.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like 48 pips. That's impressive.
We retraced right off of that same area to the left.
Yep.
Nice drop. I'm trying to get a good image here. So for those who don't know who Jerome Powell is, like when they say Federal Chair Powell speech, this is him. It's an educational stream, so just in case you've never seen his face before. That's his face. Maybe you've seen him now that you're looking at it. Yep. All right.
Hey, Paul, what's a shimmy? Hit the little break dance.
Okay, there we go. My bad, chat. I'm on my phone. Irresponsible, I know. Unprofessional. Gold's being a whole ass. Close TP. Did a shimmy. Oh, it got close to your TP. Wait. What did you take, a buy? Or you took a sell? See, if I have to ask you that question, it's a good chance. Might not have been the best. Interesting to have the name Jerome. Yeah, he doesn't look like a Jerome, huh? That dance Stephen Curry does when he throws his hands down. Chat, did you have any trades today? Let me know in the chat while we're waiting. Did you have any trades today? Let me know. We're just being patient here, waiting for about 9:30, 10. I want to end off today with another W. We'll see how it goes.
Gosh, that new 4-hour candle's coming shortly, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
No, he doesn't. Gold sells, GJ buys. 100% win rate. Nice. Had one last night, break even this morning. One loss, waiting for a new FAR. Take my last trade. Awesome. Took a buy. Made 20 pips. Okay. So chat, just remember, one of the worst things that can happen to you as a trader, it's not blowing your account, because blowing your account, you already know what you did. Like it's a lesson that's easy. Like, oh, okay, I know what I did. I did this. Yeah. But the worst thing that can happen to a trader is to win a bad trade. I'm gonna say it one more time. The worst thing that can happen to a trader is to win a bad trade. What I mean by bad trade, I mean a low probability setup, not the best setup, because you think in your mind, well, I took this trade before, right? And sometimes it's not about what you took before. Sometimes it's about, it's a probability thing. So it's about taking the best setup you can, You know what I mean? Because the next 10 times, you may find yourself losing that same setup, and you're going to be holding on to the fact that you won that setup before. You know what I mean? There's a lot of struggling traders right now holding on to something that they won before, but they haven't won it the next 20 times. So if you are that person, just think about it. Just giving you something to think about. What's up, Sai? Good morning to you. How's it going? Let's see, chat. I think I got a quote for y'all too. I gotta find it. I thought I had it up here already. Our next quote. We're gonna take it over to Twitter. And then after that, I got something fun for you to look at. This one. All right, so just remember that you can mute people in real life too. It's called boundaries. All right, so that's something I really want you to take in, to make sure you have boundaries, because when you don't have boundaries, you are blocking yourself from that next level. You're holding yourself back. You want to make sure you have some healthy boundaries. You know what I mean? I won't dwell on that. I'll leave that the way it is, and I'll leave that up to you to interpret. All right, this next one, I got a fun one for you. So check this out. I'm going to need you to give me an L or a W in the chat. So give me a W in the chat if you like the idea. Give me an L in the chat if you don't like the idea. Okay. Apple Jetpack. These are supposedly, they may be future inventions by Apple. The Apple Jetpack, and the cost is going to be $119,000 if you want one. How we feel about that?
I hope it comes with a parachute.
L? You said it's like a parachute? Or hopefully
I hope it comes with a parachute. Imagine that thing running out of fuel when you're halfway up, like half a kilometre up in the air, man. That's like, hell no. I'd need to be attached to a paraglider or something. I don't think I'd trust that.
Well, my thing is how safe is this? Because what if it malfunctions and you drop out of the sky?
Exactly.
Like maybe if you could walk around like a foot off the ground, but people are going to be up there. They ain't gonna stay.
Superman in it, mate. There'll be Superman in it.
Yeah. Give us an electric car that'll fly. They go. Wonder if you control it with the Amazon controller like a submarine. That's funny. No way y'all saying L to a jetpack. This ain't GTA. Facts.
Did you see what Odd Wave said? Oh my gosh.
Flying cars is where I draw the line. Bruh. I think the jetpack idea, I think it's cool or whatever. Like they have like a water jetpack thing. Like that's cool, whatever. You can fall in the water, but to
Yeah, I've
actually
seen
walk
those.
on the cement.
That's
Bro,
a
how you gonna
different thing
be?
hitting them.
How you gonna be in a tall building looking out your window and there goes someone in a jetpack outside your window? Nah, because now the spying and the creeping and the stalking is about to get real.
My gosh.
Bro, you live in a penthouse. Someone about to be up there in a jetpack looking through your windows.
That's funny.
Don't fly to the top.
Yeah,
Just to come down the flight of stairs.
that's
Everybody
tough.
getting robbed.
And it's one. What do y'all think about the price? $119K. 100 grand for a jetpack. Maybe that's so everyone can't have it. So I get it. They're like, you know what? We can't make this shit $1,000 because y'all gonna figure out how to get that real quick. Can't make it 10K because y'all gonna figure out how to get that real quick. It's funny that it's not even like 30K. I could see it being 30K or 40K. Maybe even 50K. Nah, some people, yeah. That's still feasible to a lot of people. They can just put it on a payment plan. Yeah, maybe 100K is the way to go to make it
Bro,
less.
you know people buy regardless. It boots.
Pay for a space license? That's funny. Imagine we need a license for this. Honestly, it would make sense. Like, let's say they do that. Just to be like safety trained or whatever, you know. It's a machine, so. If you don't respect the machine, the machine will make you respect it, right? Alright, next one. Apple eMoto. It's the motorcycle. So this motorcycle is $240,000. Why? Why is this 240K? If it goes like 1,000 miles per hour, we don't need to be on it. Like,
It's 40K because it says Apple.
no, it's not 40K. It's 200.
240K because of the logo.
Because of what?
Because of the logo.
Man, they
added an extra 200 just because of the logo.
just because it's an Apple product. 200 for it. People from the hood asking for a jetpack. Nah, you know how like when you come from the hood, how people be selling like the Nike stuff they be stealing out of the trucks. So, bro, they're gonna have some bootleg jetpacks made out of cardboard. I don't know.
Ain't no link. They ain't even putting no more layaway.
Nice design. The Apple car has also been really hyped. I don't know, bro. I don't know anybody that's gonna be paying no $240 for a motorcycle though.
Hey, Lens, have you seen that Mercedes electric car?
Yeah, I did see that. It
That's
looks
awesome.
a little too futuristic for me,
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
but it's gonna be interesting to see it on the street. That's a death wish, the Apple bike. Does it come with remote control? I don't know, it's a good question. So here's the Apple car. Whoa, where'd the music come from? Not that. Oh, wait. We didn't get to the finale yet. Whoa. The next one's gonna be crazy. Hopefully y'all can see that. But the Apple car, y'all, 119K. So the Apple car costs as much as the jetpack. What?
Why the motorcycle so expensive?
Yeah, I'm thinking the same, man.
You see what I'm saying? Why is a motorcycle 240 if the car and the jetpack are
You
even
could
that
literally
much?
get 2 of the cars for the price of one of them motorcycles.
The 4 hour just closed.
Yes.
Yep.
That.
Not on mine, but I still got an hour left on mine. But yeah. Bro, I had a daily and a 4-hour line here, and we wicked up into it. So this is gonna be interesting. What are we, 55 pips down? So I'm gonna pull gold for a second. I just want to adjust my line, or see if I need to adjust it. That's all. put that there. Yep. Alright, chat, I just need just one more line and I'll be right back. Okay, maybe I need to fix that. Wow, this is an interesting day here. Okay, I think I'm gonna pull it like that. Alright, gold, be nice to us. That's all I could really say. So I moved my lines down a little bit. That's what happened to the reggae music. I ran out of options, you know. I ran out of options. So you pay for the same price with no air conditioner or heat in the jetpack. Basically, right? They'll have the knockoff version in every hood. That's funny. Hold on, now let me pull gold one more time. One more pull. All right, let's see it now. I want to see if it can come down into this area and mix around a little bit. Or is it just going to keep on going? Man, imagine getting this from the top.
That would have been peachy.
Yeah, it would have been 90 pips. Lewis, did you look at my line here? 1921.27.
I have the same, well, somewhat. Mine's at 1920.39.
I need to recover today. Suggest a trade for 300 pips, please.
What?
It's in the chat.
Matter of fact, I got this. I'll answer this. Back test. That's your best answer for you. Back test. Take a week on straight back testing every day. That's the best way you gonna recover. Slow and steady wins the race. Timmy.
Let me ask you this. Did you just now come into the stream? It seemed like you just now came over to the stream. Where were you at this morning? We started at 6. Wait, what time we start, chat? Time out.
2 minutes in, we caught 100 pips, my boy. You a little late. Already
Oh,
gotta
30
do that.
pip, not 300 pip.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
You get a little past this.
Were you here this morning? Be honest. Were you here this morning? I'm gonna need you to. I'm gonna have to interview you real quick before we suggest anything. Welcome to the what do they call it? The interrogation room. When you go to the police station. Yo, y'all are so funny. Yo, the face expressions are killing me right now in the chat. Mr. Singh, you still there? Want to know if you were present this morning during the GJ trade.
Good question, Timmy.
The real question is, are you actually trying to learn a good setup, or are you just trying to copy trade ideas you get for your own profit? Art doesn't equal greed or recovery. Yes, that's a good point there. Let's see, you got 7 minutes left. I'm just kind of watching this work around. Don't worry, chat. I don't take things based off of the 1 minute personally. I'm just kind of peeking at what's going on, that's all. For me, a far candle got 52 minutes, so that's nice.
Yeah, I don't know why you'd be doing that to you, man. Tripping you up, Linz. That's not fair, man.
Yeah, it's very complex at that point, yeah.
Yeah, that's just not fair. I mean, that makes the candle look completely different to like my candle per se, you know? That's just, yeah.
Let me see it on Hanko. Let's pull up this candle. Dang, gold was a good sell, man. That's okay. That's okay. Plenty more setups for the day.
It closed above the previous week and then came back up to retest it, shot back down.
Oh yeah.
Yep, and it closed below the 15. As far as market structure.
I think we're just filling out this wick.
Yeah, that's my idea.
I think we're gonna fill out this wick, and I think we're gonna reverse back up.
Yep. Well, we still got our news.
So at 9:30, if we reverse up, or even if we mix around a little bit, we'll see. Okay, now we're so on Hanko we're at the bottom of the wick, but on here, ooh, that moved my line. But on here we're, well, yeah, we're almost to the bottom. About the same. This can be interesting. And if we do come up, if you look on the 4 hour, at the bottom of that, 1929. If you look at the 1 hour, maybe about 1927. It's gonna be interesting. So if you're just joining us today, I'm gonna switch my screens over for you. We got a nice sell-off on GJ. We took some partials, closed most of it, put stops to break even. The runner got stopped at break even. We secured over 1%. I don't know if it was 2 or not. I gotta go see. Let's see. But on gold, I'm on the 1 hour now on gold. I'm thinking gold may come back up to this area where we kind of banked off from. If it shows me what I want to see. But if it doesn't show me that, then I'm gonna think that this isn't valid. And also on gold, I'm thinking that all we were doing was just filling out this wick. So now that we just filled out this wick, the question is what are we gonna do now, right? You know what? I think this line is a little too low. Even this gap is what, like 65, 70? Yeah, we'll see. All right. Patience, y'all. Patience. Bro, I'm tired of getting text messages from 5-digit numbers. I can't be the only one. Y'all be getting text messages from 5-digit numbers?
That's sketchy.
No, it's like you know how like some stores text you with like promotions and all that, like 20% off, and some of them are just random things like that.
This kind of hurts my.
Lewis, I'm gonna tell you this. Look on the 1 hour and go to the left. Look at the bottom of that structure.
So right here, if you go a little farther left, I have. Oh, you don't look at the 3 hour. Look at the 3 hour zone right here.
You said a 3 hour zone?
Yeah, 2 of them. One at 1918, and then one where we're right now at 1919. But if it holds,
19.
I see it going down to at least 1913 before the new.
The only reason I looked at this spot first is because we would be done filling out the wick of that candle.
Yeah.
So now that we'd be done with that, I'd like to see what we do with it now. I'm gonna adjust this.
Look at what I posted in the Discord. Main chat.
Oh, in the main chat. Oh, Reamdog posted something too. What's up, Reamdog? You think it's possible to sales based on my analysis? My entries were a little late. When you say, do you think it's possible? I don't know what that part is about. Took cells. I see a bunch of lines here, so I don't know how many cells you took. But also I can't really... let me zoom in actually. I'm trying to figure out where... Are all of these lines cells? I don't even know what pair this is or time frame this is, you know? So I can't really give you feedback on that type of picture. I'm sorry, you gotta send in a different picture. maybe you could send me a trading view picture and show me what you're looking at. Oh, Lewis, I got you. I'm about to post yours. This was on EU. Oh, wow. I see. Yeah, you got the weekly line there, too.
That's a nice trade, Lewis.
I didn't take it.
Oh, you
I
just
did.
set it up. Okay.
Practicing. Yeah, I get you. Nice call out, though, man. That's nice.
Nice. Oh, chat, while we're waiting. I got 43 minutes. Oh, my goodness. Maybe not, though. I mean, 9:30 may do something. So we're going to wait about 15 minutes. Or 13 minutes, I'm sorry. We're going to wait 13 minutes. So let's go back to our little chat here. Lens, whisper your trade idea if people are listening. So we did the Apple car. Now, don't pass out when you see what the next one is, chat. Don't pass out. Here we go. Ready for this? It's going to be crazy. Apple teleport.
No way. Nah, they're tripping.
Apple teleport. What's up,
They're
Easy
tripping.
Boss? What's up, fam? I don't know how this work, how this don't work. I don't know, but it's 29 million. So what is the point? If most of the people on the planet can't have it, why is it even here?
I ain't trusting anything that's going to turn my body into tiny little particles and try and move them to a different dimension, mate. Ain't no way.
And
I am
who's
stepping
gonna?
in for the
Yeah,
side of
exactly.
that.
Who's
Ain't no
gonna?
way.
Who's gonna be the tester?
Exactly.
Who's the volunteer for this? About to get zapped into nothing. About to get zapped into the size of an ant.
Yeah, I
And I
wouldn't even
believe
put
we
an
can
animal
travel
in
to
there,
different
man.
dimensions, but not in human form, spiritual form, not in this form. So whatever
No,
they
in
got going
Apple's
on,
teleport. They'd be tripping.
whoever makes this needs to sleep. I'll get a teleporter to port one inside of SA. Oh, you're 40 rages. What's up, Kevin? Not interested in teleporting for 29 million. You good on that?
On the other hand, though, right, if this is an actual thing, yeah, just say you can walk inside it and then you can walk out of another one somewhere else. I mean, I've got family like 500 odd miles away, so if I could go dump one down at my family's house, dump one at my house, and then just walk through, that would be kind of dope, wouldn't it? But
Yeah.
I don't know if I trust that technology yet, man. I need to see a few people walk through it before I do.
Nah, I'm with you on that. We need to see people walk through. Actually, I need to see 1 million people walk through, and then I can start to determine my opinion. I'll start.
Yo, is this stuff fake, man? It's gotta be fake.
An alien ship, an Apple ship.
I don't know. It could be. It's on Twitter.
They tripping.
About to be some honey. I shrink the kids.
Bro, there is a daily line here, bro. Holy.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
That's that line I was talking about.
Yeah. I gotta... Wait a second. Hold on a minute. This could be a crazy trade. Oh, wait. Let me type that.
Oof. Hey, Lens, you called it. You called it. I see it, you know what I'm saying? Sniper.
You seeing it? It's AI created? Oh, the video we're watching is AI created? That's crazy.
Yeah, see, AI gonna be getting people thinking that there's all sorts of shit gonna happen, man. That's not good.
I seen an
That caused
explosion.
mass panic.
Now, what I want to see is,
Explosion.
you know, the candles we're looking for, right? So let's look for the opposite candle to form here before it goes up, if you know what I mean. You see what I'm saying? Because they got to get in too. Got a little cube going on here in the 5 minute. But I'm expecting a bearish cube, you know what I mean? If we're going to be going bullish. You know what I'm trying to say, Lewis?
Yeah. A candle flip. Just for sake. Everybody know what that is.
Oh, this whole ass ain't going right now.
She twitching. She twitching.
As soon as you said it, I seen it jump up, and I was like, "Oh my god, it's over with."
Yeah, I'm watching it twitch. Shit's moving in it. Oh, yeah.
To 1930? Not yet. We're buying our tickets right now. We're buying our tickets. We didn't get to our seats yet. The show cannot start. Y'all in line too, so don't be laughing. Y'all in line behind us. Shit. I still gotta get my icy and shit. I gotta get my popcorn and stuff before I sit down. So go better chill out. Got 2 minutes.
Dude, back up.
Let's see. Yeah, go ahead and play around, gold. I'm fine with that. Go ahead, consolidate. Do what you gotta do. We're here for it. We're putting a 15 minute.
Hey, Powell better say some stuff I like to hear.
I'm just putting our theory here so people can catch up to what we're doing. That makes sense, right? Theory, gold will fill 1 hour wick, impossible. Reverse here. All right, nice and neat, right, chat? 5 minute candle flip. Yo, y'all gotta chill out. Stop manifesting it. Don't manifest it yet. It's too early. We got 6 minutes till 9:30. We may get some volume at 9:30. But you know what I'm saying, Lewis? Like, you know how, like, when we look to the left, if we're looking at an uptrend, we're looking for a bearish IC, right?
Yeah.
So if we're looking to buy right here, right? If we're looking at what we're looking at, we're going to look for a bearish IC to form here. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
I don't know how to say it.
I'm looking at exactly what you looking at it. I just seen it on the 3 hour at a lower entry.
Oh, okay. Bro, ain't no way we coming out of this box right now.
Lance, we still got 5 minutes.
Here comes the cube. Let's see. 5 minute cube. Come on. Don't play gold. You know what to do. Form it. This is your time to shine. Waiting for a bearish candle. Form that bearish candle. Come on.
It's trying.
Gold, I ain't gonna lie, gold. This is your time. Man. Patience is a virtue, huh? Let me add this zone to my chart. Why can't I add this zone to my chart? Oh, I could put lines. Lines work. Wait, that didn't even line up to where I was. One second, y'all. I'm trying to like. So my theory is, oh, we're above my line there, which is good. Maybe 23 pip stop loss. I'd put my stop loss below that wick. I mean, it'll be below the daily and it'll be below the bank zone. It'll be below the low as well. You know? I'm trying to see where that zone is on MT5. It's hard for me to grab it.
Graphing anything on MT5 is difficult.
Yeah, every time I zoom in, it like goes away.
Yep.
I think I might have got it this time. Yeah, I somewhat got it. I just need to zoom in. All right, here we go. You know, it'd be even better if we take out these lows and come back up. Even better, gold. I may even give gold a standing ovation. "26 seconds, y'all." Maybe like 24 pips. Looking to see if we get a flip. Don't mind me, I'm just opening up my keys. Don't get too excited, chat.
Come on, pal, say something good.
Wait, it's 10 o'clock. Oh, no, it's 9. Yo, you scared me. Like, there ain't no way I'm not paying attention. Yeah, we got till 10, Lou.
Oh.
Yeah, we got till 10. You scared me. Nah, I think we may have a flip coming on the 5-minute, though.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait it out.
About a 24, 25 pip stop loss if this candle flips up.
You know, what I was thinking about was the news at 8:30.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Yeah, that
8:30.
already
My actual time.
went down, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, chat. It's just the theory. If we, oh, I guess I'm not gonna put that there because let's see if gold can test out these lows, whether we take out these lows or even just come down here and test out this area here. I have a line here. Actually, I have 2 lines here. We can circle back up. I'd like to take an entry on that. Just so you know, about a 25 pip stop loss. Let's see it. Tap that area, but we never pushed through. See if we can push through. Come on, gold. Do you think gold might be headed down? Well, I just said what my theory was. So 5-minute candle flip, 25. Lens zones be on point. Thank you, thank you. My bad, I know I was late to answering that. My fault, Ancient. I'm sorry. All right, there we go.
Push, baby, push.
Yeah. 930 push, man. The 930 push. And put my stop loss under the wick. All right, so you can see that we entered there. That's what it looks like. Let's see if we can get this 930 volume. Had a theory, just following the plan, waited for price to close above my zone, waited for price to retest my zone. And that is about it. I mean, we're just kind of chilling and waiting. That's what it looks like for now. We're only up about 2 pips, nothing to really talk about. We're still playing around the entry area. So there's no moving stops yet. All right, I'd like to at least get up maybe at least 20 pips before I move it, you know. But that's going to be the last trade of the day. I mean, we already took home a W this morning, so let's see if we can end it off with another one. All right. Not gonna lie, they said Ice Spice was on the wait, yo, you are obsessed with Ice Spice. Can we talk about that? Is it just me?
Yeah, man, got issues.
Yo.
You got issues, Rages, man.
Yo, Rages. What is up? What is
It
up
need to
with
be
you, my
Rage's
friend?
song.
What's up with you, fam? I'm just built different. Oh, you said if she was on the submarine, you would have found her by now. You just built different. I feel you. I feel you. Rages, I'm about to just make your intro song an Ice Spice song at this point.
I think it's
I'm
got
finna-
to be, mate. Rages got a thing for Ice Spice.
Oh, we're up like 20 pips or whatever.
Ian's out here calling these trades.
Let's go, Lens. Let's go.
Bro, I used the wrong lot size, so I'm not even like...
Oh, did you?
Bro, I meant to type $5 a pip, and I typed $1 a pip.
Ah, shit.
Or I put 1.4. I guess I didn't even realize it.
It happens last. It's still a good call out. Still a few bucks in the bank, right?
Bro, we would have been up 1% now.
I know, but hey.
Fuck that. Nah, ain't no way.
Yeah, no.
I typed the wrong lot size, chat. No. Can I get my Kim Kardashian crying face in the chat? Wrong lot size. No.
That's unfortunate last time.
Well, that's why I got this face for. Yo, what the heck?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Alright, we're gonna just move stops to break even, chat. Stops to break even. I said when we're up 20 pips, we're gonna move stops to break even. We just broke that high. Everything I told you step by step by step, we were going to reverse what we're going to do. Told you we're going to fill the wick. Told you you're going to reverse here. Told you once price breaks this wick, we're going to move stops to break even. I kind of tell the future a little bit. I did use the wrong lot size, but F it. We're already up over 1% today. It's okay.
And it's also flipping. It's also flipping that 4-hour candle bullish right now. So that new 4-hour candle bullish. Yeah.
They're bullish now. 1 hour's bullish now, and the 4 hour is now bullish. Let's get it. We called that too, like what, like an hour ago, waiting for the next 4 hour to flip up. Damn, bro.
Now that I think about it,
Wrong lot size is crazy.
bro, we've been waiting on this move since 3 a.m.
Well, we should be, bro. What the fuck, bro? We should be up almost 2% by now. Yo, that's tough. That's
that
tough.
really is tough. Yo, where is that stuff?
I did have all
I'ma
this on the
drop that
screen,
one.
didn't I, chat? Huh?
There we go.
W's in the chat. W's fires in the chat. 2 dubs today.
Yeah, some W's.
Let's see. You know what that means. We gotta play our ish, you know. 2 W's. Oh no, not that one. Whoa. We ain't mad. That's for you, Rages. That's just your little Ice Spice. But nah, some real stuff. We gotta play that future. You already know what's up. Come on, chat.
I blow a bag today. I don't do nothing for gas. I blow the bag today.
Yes, sir. Simple stuff. But you know what, chat? I guess it is what it is, honestly. I mean, if we get... Damn, I'm not gonna make 1%, huh? Damn, bro. The wrong lot size is crazy, bro. I typed it so quick.
That's so unfortunate.
Yeah, I may just take a percentage off of this and just let the whole go. Was that 0.9?
Did you make at least 0.5%?
Nah. I did a dollar pip instead of $5 pip. It's like,
Damn.
yeah, big
Little dub.
difference.
Man, you made a little dub, didn't you?
Wait, is my
No.
partial set to half? It should be at point. Oh, it's closing 1%, so I gotta close all those to get, okay. So I had to do all that to close half. $14. Alright, I guess we'll keep it going by. We'll keep it going by 15 cents, I guess.
Hey, GJ, look like it's gonna continue tanking down.
Do I think what?
Yeah, I feel like GJ is going to continue tanking down.
Oh.
Damn, that's 172 pips wick to wick on that GJ news candle. That's insane. Wow.
Yeah. That is insane. I got 161. You got 162.
172.
Oh wait, dang! You really got more.
Yeah, 172.1. That's wild.
Wild day today, huh, chat?
Been interesting, hasn't it?
It has been interesting. I got half of half, if that makes sense. So 25% of 1%.
Yeah, 0.25.
0.25. Yeah.
Yeah, it's better than a. That's all right, man. That's all right. Compounding it up, you know.
Yeah, you know, it's more than, it's still more than it's still a lot. I'll put it that way.
Exactly.
It's running pretty good if you ask me. I ain't really complaining if you ask me.
No, I can.
We
only
talking
imagine
bigger
us.
accounts. I'm not complaining.
Yep. Yep. They'll be running all
Easy
right.
call, chat. Easy call. You know, easy call was the title of the stream. We had 2 easy calls this morning. That's crazy, huh? Beauty. Now, as far as TP, I'm gonna move it up just because we have news coming, and let's see how far we can take this, because at this point we just have a runner going. and I mess with my things here, huh? So I move my TP up. But I am watching it on the thing. Bro, we should have been up like 4%.
It's flying.
Wrong lot size is insane, bro. That's insane. Should be up 45 pips, fam. Hey fam, can we do a favor? We got 2 W's today. Can we run up the likes a little bit on the stream? Can we run up those likes a little bit? 2 dubs totaling over 100 pips today. Everything called out to you step by step by step. Step by step by step by step today, yep. Gold breaks through 1924. Should maybe keep pushing. Torium, you in late profit. Let's go. Love to see it.
Nice.
Should be up 50 pips now. You should be up. You should be up. 2 W's. Come on, chat. 2 W's. Step by step. Lewis, did you get in this?
No,
Oh, okay.
I seen it, but I was just, I'm good. I told myself that I was gonna wait until the news, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Do what your mom
Imagine
said.
the news candle just shoot straight down. Bro, at that point, I just gotta laugh. Like, I can't do nothing but laugh at that point. That was gonna be TP1, y'all. Potential TP2 was gonna be at the top. Tippity top. I can't believe I typed the wrong lot size, bro. But I'm finna earn all of this. I'm earning all my stripe shit. Gonna close some of that.
Yo, we've been in this 100 pip range like all day.
Mm-hmm.
We went up
Taking
50.
some more partials, chat.
100.
I'm finna milk every dollar out of this one. Since I got the wrong lot size. I'm compounding the hoe up.
Nigga?
I'm compounding it up. Shit. It's compounding real well too, I'll tell you that. More than happy with it. Chat, predictions for the news, chat. You think it's gonna continue bullish or you think it's gonna come back down?
That's a good question.
It's gonna be interesting, huh?
Let me have a look at the bigger time.
Imagine if it shoots up though.
I
We're the coldest in
there's
the
a
forex game. You know it, ancient.
There's a chance it may continue up because this new 4-hour took out a previous low just barely, but it took it out, and now it's going bullish. So, or it did take it out on my screen. I don't know. It might not have took it out on yours.
Wait, you said the 4-hour. Are you talking about the 2 candles before it that low?
On the 4-hour time frame, we're talking the big bullish one before the little down.
Big bullish one.
Yeah, you see that big the one,
Yeah,
the little
yeah,
bullish
yeah,
one with the big
yep.
wick. Yeah. It just took out that low as well.
Okay, yep.
And now this new 4-hour candle's flipping bullish. So I don't know. It might go up. I don't know.
I love how we read the market step by step here. But we still hit a spot. We hit a spot here. Yeah, we hit a spot here. So
I can only read it however you've taught me last, because whatever I know comes from you. Yeah.
Nah, you getting it. You're getting it. I mean, you got it.
Yeah.
What can I say? I actually teach my students, don't I?
Yeah,
You can read it
100%
yourself
you do.
now.
I mean, hands up, say I'm actually proud of my progress, and I'm never one to compliment myself in any way, fam, believe me. But no, hands up, I'm proud of my progress. Like, I mean,
Excuse
I had a bit
me,
of an accident
CJ.
the other week, but now it's all
I'm
good.
sorry, A7. I may have to cut you off a little bit. CJ, excuse me. What do you mean gold come down? Are you on our team or are you not on our team? I'm confused. What side are you playing for? Are you a double agent? You need some explaining to do, sir. Are you the double agent in the chat? Damn. Come on, CJ. Come on, fam. What's up with that? You're on the wrong side, fam.
It's playing funny now. It's hit that damn range again, though, isn't it?
Yep. Bro, I compounded up so hard today. It's so hilarious.
Needs must, mate. Needs must.
It definitely did hit that area. I'm just gonna take it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it. Trade complete. Well, at least we hit TP1, chat. Let me see. I'm going replay mode.
Yeah, see, now that 4 hours flipping bearish, man, it's dead playing.
Up there. Let's take a screenshot. Good day, chat. It's a good day. Alright, now let's take it out of replay mode. Alright. So I just took a bunch of partial zeros, chat, because I didn't get the lot size I wanted. Oh my god, it would have been sick. Oh, okay, let's not even talk about it, chat. We're not gonna talk about it. We're just gonna move on. How about that?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Oh,
all right. Ooh, US 30. Yeah, we didn't talk about US 30 today. Let's shift our focus over to US 30, and then we're gonna come back to gold just to see what happens for the news. All right. So, trade 1 complete. Trade 2 complete. Apple. Well, we'll get back to Apple in a second. Now, how much time I got? A couple minutes. All right, we got this. Everybody enjoying the stream today? Let me know in the chat. You enjoying the stream today? Chill out. I mean, my fault. See, you manifested it. That's crazy. Look at this. Chat, blame CJ. No, don't do that. Don't do that. All right, let's see. Let's play with US 30 today. I see some things right off the bat. It's the wrong color. Created a support here. We could have just created like a range. really see much on US 30, y'all. For me, I don't see much. Ugly drop, yep. Loving it as always. Appreciate your tongue twist.
Hey, Lens, look at that 30 minutes.
30-minute gold.
Yep, on it. High of the news.
I see.
It's also
I see.
respecting one SMA.
Mm-hmm.
EMA.
So I mean, we're out of this trade, so we can take all that off now. Literally went back up in there and tested it. Could have made money both ways today. It's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Great call. Thank you, Sai.
Still see this going up though.
Two minutes. 2 minutes to that news, y'all. 2 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna change that. We got two wins for the day, totaling over 100 pips, y'all. Good job. What's GJ doing? Honestly, you know, after I take a trade, I really don't review it too much until later on. But yeah, I mean, we built some type of support here, so shooting up currently.
Yeah.
Fam's eating good. Yeah, I've been eating good the last 2 months, huh?
He's been killing it, Lens.
Thank you. Let's see. Dang. If only, man. I'm telling you, if that trade was the right lot size. Shit. Tough.
Yeah, that is real tough. I feel for you there, man. It moved quick as well. It would have been like an instant 4% as well. So,
Yeah, it's the 4%.
yeah, pretty much. It moved pretty quick.
All right, here we go. 10 o'clock. He's testifying, all right. Let's see what happens here. Okay, I'm back.
Yes.
What happened?
No, nothing happened yet as such. Looks like it's going bearish.
Let's go, Lens. Happens to me all the time. Oh, does it? Looks like not much is going on. I mean, good thing we didn't wait all day for a trade till 10 o'clock. Imagine that. Tragic. Trade what you see, chat. You trade what you see. Yeah, I'm not liking US 31C. I haven't been liking US 30 in the last 30 days, huh?
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
It just hasn't been. I mean, yesterday it did okay. I just didn't take it. But other than yesterday, I mean, it really, as far as when we've been on, just wasn't flocking.
Yeah, I'm just zooming out on it and looking at the times it did actually move nice, and it ain't been stream times.
Yeah. All right, fam. I guess we're gonna call it a day as far as trades go, but we can finish this video before we end the stream, okay? So what do y'all think about the Apple ship? $1 billion. It's AI generated. Apple chair, $1 million. What does this chair do that it's got to be $1 million? That's what my question is. Like, does it rock me to sleep? Like, does it make food and feed it in my mouth? Like, what can this chair do? See you, Kareem. Apple orange. Wait. What?
Hold up.
Apple orange. It looks
$40
uncomfortable.
for an orange.
Wait a minute. This out of everything here, this threw me off the most. I
Have
ain't
they
gonna lie.
like genetically mutated an apple and an orange together?
Like, this picture got me fucked up. I don't even care about the teleport thing. This got it right here. Let's see. Apple hologram. Yeah, they can already do stuff like that. That's not too impressive. You can make that. Apple scooter, 5,000. Really? 5,000 for a scooter? It better be electric. It better not be no kick push for no 5,000. Let me guess. I can Bluetooth hook up my iPhone. Like, what? Troll of the century. Official fan Mars meetup. You know it. Lost me on the Apple orange. Is that it? Oh, wait. Apple time machine. Wait, so the jetpack's 100K, but you could get the time machine for 35K? That's questionable. But wait, the bike? Wait, the motorcycle is $240,000, but the time machine is $35,000. Tell me that.
Makes all the sense.
All right, chat. On that note, I'm going to leave you with this. Wait, I need to take a screenshot of this. Hold on.
Yo, my daughter just almost opened the trade.
Whoa, really? That's funny.
I forgot my computer was touchscreen.
Apple orange. That's an important picture for me. All right, fam. I'm gonna head out. Feel free to rewatch the stream. Thank you so much for coming through. As you know, we call out things here step by step before they happen. Hour before they happen, 2 hours before they happen. Everything's given to you step by step. 2 wins for the day, over 100 pips. We're going to conclude it there. Let me just take a look at this poll. What we got in this poll? 55% said hip hop and rap. Interesting. I will say I wasn't able to put all the genres there. They only let me have 4 answers for you. So I do apologize, but I love all music, but my favorite is rap, hip hop, and R&B, of course. Much love to you. Make sure you spread positivity. Keep a smile on your face. And on that note, I'm out. Have a good day.